Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a magnitude necklace I bought roughly a month ago. It's a magnitude necklace which claims that you can cure your pain on your neck and back can be cured by wearing this necklace. And let's check it out. Inside the box, there is a paper and says indicates some ingredients of this magnitude and some instructions, some warning messages, and how to keep it clean. So let's put it here. Then let's check the necklace itself. I bought a 50 cn necklace, and it also can be wear like your headdress, like this. And here are two notch, one on here and another here. Only one notch can be opened. So look at this. They just push harder, then you can hear a click, then you got a necklace. Then just put it on your neck, then put harder again. You'll find you got the necklace again. Alright, then let's talk about the price first. It cost me roughly $25 and without any discount. So from my experience in this 1 month, I feel like I'm not a person who like this necklace. Seems it doesn't work on me. I didn't feel like my pain is eased by wearing this necklace. And sometimes I feel heavy on my neck when I wearing this necklace. So, but two of my friends claimed the necklace is so useful for their pain. Well, I think it depends on your body. Maybe I'm not a person for the necklace, but it only costs you about $25, so maybe you can give it a try. Well, that's it. If you would like to know anything else, just leave comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you guys, bye.